Working with Collab, they just have a great culture over there. Everyone is so easygoing. It makes it really easy to do your job with no stress in a high-stress industry. So working with them is really great for their culture. So Collab is different in a way that their sites are always clean. Communication is amazing. We're able to talk through all people of the company and get all the answers almost instantly, so that really helps. I think that's what differentiates Collab from other contractors.